Hey my beauties, welcome back. So today, as you can see, I'm going to be creating this look. I call it the Minty Ice Clean look. I hope you guys like this look, so let's get started. Okay, for this look, I'm going to be using these two palettes right here, the Lifestyle Drag palette and the Electric palette. Okay, to start off, I'm going to be taking Kiki, this shade right here, and I'm going to be putting it all over my crease. I'm taking a Luxie 205 taper blending brush, this one right here, and I'm going to apply Kiki all over my crease. Also guys, I already did my eyebrows off camera, and I also put some concealer on my lids already, so the color can pop out more. Okay, so you're going to keep on blending till you're satisfied with how it looks. You guys can already see how vibrant that is because of the concealer that I put underneath. I feel like putting concealer on the lids before putting your eyeshadow does make a difference, and it does make the colors pop out more. Okay, so I'm going to get my BH Cosmetics brush number 7 right now, and I'm going to take that same color Kiki. This brush is similar to the one I was using. It's just going to diffuse the color even more and blend it out more. Some Too Faced concealer. This is the Born This Way concealer in the shade Snow. It's just a flat brush like this. So any flat brush that you have, grab it. So we're just going to be cutting the crease right in the middle. So I put concealer just in the center of my eyelid. So now I'm going to do the same thing to my other eye. Okay, so now that I cut the crease on both of my eyes, as you can see, they're centered right in the middle. I'm going to be taking Revolve from the Electric palette. So it's going to be this silver metallic shade right here, and this shade I like to use my ring finger to apply it. I feel like you'll get the best result with it because it'll show up more. Okay, as you can see, I already applied it right where I put my concealer. Now I'm going to repeat the same thing to my other eye. Okay, so I went back with Lifestyle Drag. I'm going to be taking Kiki once again with this Anastasia brush right here, and I'm going to be intensifying the outer corner and the inner corners of my eyes. And also I'm going to be covering up any harsh lines that were made when I applied the silver shade. Brush, I'm going to be blending out everything so there's no harsh lines. So basically with this look, you're going to be applying color and blending it out so there's no harsh lines or anything. So there's no harsh lines and everything can be blended out evenly. So I'm just going to keep applying and keep on blending till I'm satisfied with how it looks. Okay, so this is what it should look like once I added Kiki to my outer corner and inner corner and blended it out once again. Going back with my electric palette, I'm going to be taking once again Revolt with my ring finger and applying it on my lid once again. So I'm just going to be applying it once again to intensify that silver color right in the middle. Going back with my Anastasia brush and no more product, I'm not going to be adding no more Kiki, and once again just trying to blend out the silver with the blue, so there's no harsh lines. Guys, you don't want no harsh lines. That's why I keep going back and forth, back and forth. The more you blend, the better it's gonna look. So now I'm gonna be taking this Heavy Metal by Urban Decay in the shade Midnight Cowboy. It's a liquid glitter liner, and I'm just gonna be putting this liner right on my crease, exactly where I cut my crease. I'm gonna be placing this there. Okay, so right on my crease. I'm gonna be using a creamy shade because I want my eye to look more open. I'm gonna be taking this ColourPop cream gel liner in the shade Honey Dude. So this is what it looks like. So I'm gonna be placing it all over my waterline. So the eyes are almost finished. I'm going to be applying my foundation, concealer, bronzer. I'm going to be doing all the face stuff. Let's get right into the face. Okay guys, so for foundation today, I'm going to be using this Chanel Vita Lumiere. I think that's how you pronounce it. It is SPF 15 and I'm using the shade 25. This is what it looks like. Guys, I have scratches all over my face because of Marlon. Marlon is the brother of one of my closest friends, of Patricia. You guys have actually seen her on my channel already, and he's always scratching me, biting me, pinching me, and he's super bipolar. Like 1 minute he'll be kissing me, and then the other one he just blacks me. So yeah, my face, my nose is full of scratches from him, so don't mind that. I'm gonna be taking it all over my neck. I forgot to mention, I did prime my face with the Tatcha The Silk Canvas primer. I forgot to say, I'm applying my foundation with the BH Cosmetics number 3 brush. Okay guys, now I'm going to be taking another Too Faced concealer, but this one is in the shade Light Beige, and I'm going to be concealing my under eyes. Conceal these bad boys. Taking this Morphe M173 brush. I'm just going to be blending out everything. Okay, now to set everything in place, I'm going to be taking this Ciate powder and put it all over my face. Guys, this powder smells like coconuts, pineapples, I don't know, it smells tropical. So using another BH Cosmetics brush, this one is number 6, but it's from the Marble collection as well. But it makes your face so smooth, and I'm super oily, so I love anything that makes me smooth and matte. For contour, I'm going to be taking my Anastasia contour kit. This is the cream kit. So I'm going to be taking some of my marula oil from Drunk Elephant, and I'm going to be putting one tiny drop on the contour shade that I'm going to use, and I'm going to be putting this right here, just like that. Oh, I almost put my brush inside here. The same thing here. Forehead. Just like that. And down here. Like this. I'm gonna be taking a brush like this and just gonna be pounding my face. See how easily that blends it out? Make sure you blend everything in, because you don't want a big patch of bronzer on your face. That's just not gonna look cute. So make sure you blend everything out like evenly. I don't really contour my nose. I probably contour my nose like once or twice, and that's about it. For a little bit of bronzer and blush, I'm gonna be taking this BH Cosmetics Classic Blush 10 color blush palette, but it does bring like 2 darker shades that I can use as like a bronzer. I'm gonna be taking, it looks like this. I'm gonna be taking this shade right here. This is also the powder that I'm using. Is also gonna be setting in that contour cream that I just put, so it won't move. Okay, my jawline. So now going back to the powder, I'm going to be baking. For blush, I'm going to be taking the same palette, and I'm going to be taking, this color right here. I'm using the BH Cosmetics number 4 brush. Okay, so using a big fluffy brush, this is the BH Cosmetics number 2 brush. I'm just going to be dusting away any powder that I have on my face. And putting it on my under eye. put some Kiki on my under eyes, and now I'm gonna be taking some mascara. This is the Lancome Lash Multiplying Volume Mascara, Assumptions Extreme, in the shade Extreme Black. Guys, I also applied some lashes already. These are the Ardell Demi Wispies. I'm gonna be taking some MAC right here, some MAC Nylon. This is my favorite inner corner highlight, right in the middle, and you can already tell how much that pops out. For highlight, I'm gonna be taking the Amrezy with Anastasia highlighter. R36. So I went ahead and used the ColourPop lip liner in Beaver, and I'm gonna be taking the ColourPop liquid lipstick in Beaver. Okay guys, and lastly I'm gonna be taking this Anastasia Dewy Setting Spray. Guys, this also smells very tropical. It smells like coconuts and pineapples. So if you're not a fan of scents, I wouldn't recommend this, but it does smell really good. Okay guys, so here is the finished look. I'm gonna call this the Minty Ice Queen look. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. And let me know down in the comments what else you want me to do. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!